If you're looking for the 5 best battery maintainers for long winter storage, you're in the right place. Leaving a vehicle unused for months can slowly drain the battery, and replacing one every spring gets expensive fast. In this video, we'll cover 5 of the best battery maintainers and smart chargers that help keep your batteries healthy, fully charged, and ready to go when winter is over. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Ampeak 25A Pro Battery Charger. The Ampeak 25A Pro is a powerful and feature-packed option for anyone who wants fast charging and reliable long-term maintenance. With adjustable charging levels up to 25 amps, it charges much faster than standard trickle chargers. It automatically switches to maintenance and pulse repair mode after charging, making it ideal for winter storage. The HD LCD screen shows real-time voltage and charging status, while built-in safety protections and winter mode ensure safe cold weather performance. This charger works great for cars, motorcycles, boats, and generators. Number 2. Battery Tender Plus 1.25A Maintainer. The Battery Tender Plus is a classic choice for simple, dependable battery maintenance. It uses adaptive smart charging and a 4-step program to safely charge and maintain 12-volt batteries without overcharging. It's perfect for cars, motorcycles, and lawn equipment sitting through the winter. The quick disconnect harness makes setup easy, and the 2-color LED lets you know when your battery is charging or fully maintained. This is a great set-it-and-forget-it option. Number 3. 25A Smart Charger with LCD Display. This smart charger offers excellent versatility, supporting both lead-acid and lithium batteries, including 12V and 24V systems. It uses a 6-stage charging process and automatically switches to trickle mode once fully charged. It also includes a repair mode that can help revive idle or sulfated batteries. The LCD display clearly shows charging data, and multiple safety protections ensure worry-free operation during long-term storage. Number 4. Battery Tender 15A Selectable Charger. The Battery Tender 15A Selectable Charger gives you more control with adjustable amperage levels of 15, 8, or 2 amps. It fully charges your battery, then switches to float mode to maintain proper voltage during storage. An LCD screen displays charging information, and it supports lithium, AGM, gel, and flooded batteries. With spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, it's a safe and versatile choice for winter storage. Number 5. 35A Multi-Voltage Smart Battery Charger. This heavy-duty charger is built for maximum flexibility. It supports 6V, 12V, and 24V batteries, and works with everything from motorcycles to trucks, RVs, and golf carts. It functions as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and repair unit, with adjustable charging modes and strong cooling fans for all-season use. Its portable design and built-in safety features make it a solid all-in-one solution. That wraps up our list of the 5 best battery maintainers for long winter storage. All product links are in the description below. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more daily uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.